Jela ka na, Rachel. Murag asawa ni Kuan, Jel.
Asawa ni Kuan, Lapri.
Murag katugo lagi Kuan, yaya ni Marimar.
Ay, busa de, wala. Busa de, wala na kasama Bulgang.
Oo.
Si Mika. Chada.
Murag tagaligo kay Purgoso.
Unsay mo, Gwen?
Ako nila akong brak, ito brak din.
Ginoo ko, ginoo.
No, mali-mali mo ang ipon na nagpula-pula.
Unsay mo, Gwen? Ha? Unsay mo? Chada. Muna na imo, Day?
Oo.
Chada. Hawayan.
Nagwapa kay Kaday.
Guwapa, no? Fresh.
Fish cake ko.
Push ka, Day. Nga naman na.
Ako tani. Isot brush yung gahi. Gahi na sa brush.
Toothbrush yung gahi. Brush.
Gamit.
Wala. Diyan naligaw si Kano.
Pak, guwapa ka, Jela, oy. Nagali, dili puti nga t-shirt karon, Jel. O maong Jel. Bagoy mong fashion karon.
Mga tao nagsalibong sa pagsigarilyo.
Dati ka gel. Naguliyura lang ito. Isa naman ang may bangko.
time.
As we walk along the avenue, I just can't help staring at you. When I look into those sparkling eyes, I float in the air, wondering paradise. You gave my heart a source of inspiration. Your beauty is beyond imagination. You are the one, the only one that I desire. When we touch, when we're one, you light the fire. The seasons we share hand in hand, there seems to be no time. Each day with you becomes a Valentine. Time has gone in so much we moments slip away, but not the memories. The days we live out will always treasure in the light that shines beyond forever. You are the one, the only one that I desire. When we touch, when we're one, you light the fire. The seasons we share hand in hand, there seems to be no time. Stay with you becomes a Valentine. Your beauty is beyond imagination. You